Hello guys, welcome to Seliwa Tools and Hardwares. Subscribe in our YouTube channel. This one is a angle grinder 2000 watts from Bosch. This is professional angle grinder 9 inches for professional workers. Subscribe in our YouTube channel, like the video, comment responsibly and share it to other professional workers. We are at Idumota, Lagos Island, number 30, Agrawu, Idumota, Lagos Island. We have some good machines, power machines. We have Maketa product. We have Bosch product. We have Miyake product. We have the Watt product. All kind of heavy duty. Very strong machine. We sell it at Seliwa Tools and Hardwares. Just subscribe in our YouTube channel, touch the notification button for you to notice the time we upload the good machine for you to use. DM us now for your own and we make sure we deliver in your doorsteps. If you want to call us to come and patronize us, call this number 070 1544 0174. Again 070 1544 0174. We are at number 30 Idumota, Lagos Island, Agrawu Street. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe in our YouTube channel, like, comment and share the video to any professional worker.